How to pay for your ad with your Naira card. Step 1, go to your Meta suite, then click on All Tools. Step 2, go to Billings and Payment. Ensure you have watched the last video how to create a Naira ad account so you don't have issue with this phase. Step 3, click on Add Payments. Then it will just ask you some few questions. Next, you select the Pay You Naira payment. You don't have any ad claim, so you just press Next. Then you press Skip. If you don't have any VAT ID, just press Skip. Add the amount you want to add to your ad account. For me, it is 100,000 Naira. Then you would see Open the Mastercard payment, which will redirect you to another page, and here you add your card. You add your card payment. It works for Master, Visa card, and any other card. So after this, you'll be an OTP will be sent to you, and after that, you have successfully funded your account. In the next video, I'll show you how to set up your first ad.